Are you tired of limp lettuce and bland salads? Let's change that. Today we're making a miso-maple glazed tofu steak with a zesty scallion salad. It's quick, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Ready in just 10 minutes. The tofu gets caramelized with a sweet-savory glaze, while the scallion salad adds crunch and freshness. This isn't just another salad, it's a celebration on a plate. Healthy eating should be exciting, not a chore. You don't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen. This recipe is all about big flavor, minimal fuss, perfect for busy nights or anyone wanting to eat well without sacrificing taste. Let's get started and make something truly delicious. Here's what you'll need. Nothing fancy, just real accessible ingredients. For the tofu, 1 block, 400 g, of firm or extra firm tofu. For the glazed white miso paste, pure maple syrup, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sesame oil. For the salad, a bunch of scallions about 6 to 7, 1 lime, sesame seeds, and an optional red chili. Grab a bit of oil for cooking, olive or vegetable works. That's it. Simple, fresh, and easy to find. No wild goose chases, just straightforward shopping. The tofu gives you that steak texture, while the glaze brings all the flavor. The scallion salad is crisp, zesty, and the perfect contrast. Optional fresh herbs like coriander or mint for garnish. Ready? Let's prep. Quick recap. Tofu, miso, maple syrup, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, scallions, lime, sesame seeds, chili, oil. Let's get cooking. First, prep your tofu for maximum flavor. Drain and gently press the tofu to remove excess water. Just use kitchen paper and something heavy for 5 minutes. Slice the block in half horizontally for 2 wide steaks. More surface for glaze. Pat dry again. Score a shallow crisscross pattern on top. This helps the glaze soak in. No need for fancy tools, just a sharp knife and a gentle touch. That's it, your tofu is ready for action. This step is key for a crispy crust and deep flavor. Don't skip it, now let's move on to the glaze. Simple prep, big results. Tofu's ready, let's make it shine. On to the next step. Time for the heart of the dish, the miso-maple glaze. In a small bowl, mix 2 TBSP white miso paste, 2 TBSP maple syrup, 1 TBSP soy sauce, 1 TSP rice vinegar, and 1/2 TSP sesame oil. Whisk until smooth and glossy. Taste it, salty, sweet, umami, and a hint of tang. This glaze transforms tofu into something special. Use real maple syrup for the best flavor. The balance of sweet, salty, and sour is what makes this glaze pop. It's quick, just 30 seconds to mix. Set aside, you'll need it in a moment. This is your secret weapon for maximum flavor. Ready to cook? Let's go. Glaze prepped, tofu prepped. Time to bring it together. Let's move on. Now, the salad, fresh, crunchy, and zesty. Wash and trim your scallions, then slice thinly on the bias for elegant strips. Soak in ice water for a few minutes. This makes them extra crisp and mellows the flavor. Drain and pat dry. Toss with lime juice, a pinch of salt, sesame seeds, and sliced red chili if you like heat. That's it. Simple, vibrant, and full of texture. The salad balances the rich tofu perfectly. No complicated dressings, just fresh, bold flavors. Use the whole scallion for maximum taste. Salad's done in minutes. Set aside while you cook the tofu. Let's get sizzling. Time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high. Add a little oil, then lay in your tofu steaks. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Don't move them too much. Flip when golden and crisp. Lower the heat, then pour over the miso-maple glaze. Let it bubble and thicken, spooning glaze over the tofu. Turn the steaks to coat all sides. Cook for about a minute until the glaze is sticky and glossy. The kitchen will smell incredible. Sweet, savory, irresistible. That's it. Perfectly glazed tofu, ready to serve. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Remove from heat. Let's plate up. Time to assemble. Start with a bed of scallion salad on each plate. Place the hot glazed tofu steaks on top. Drizzle any extra glaze from the pan over the tofu. Sprinkle with more sesame seeds and fresh herbs if you like. The heat from the tofu will gently wilt the scallions, releasing even more aroma. This dish looks as good as it tastes. Fresh, colorful, and inviting. Restaurant quality, made at home in minutes. Grab a fork and dig in. Enjoy every bite. Why is this dish so good for you? Tofu is a powerhouse, high in plant protein, low in calories, and packed with nutrients. The miso glaze adds gut-friendly fermented goodness. Scallions and lime bring vitamin C and antioxidants. Chili gives a metabolism boost. No processed sugars or unhealthy fats, just real, whole foods. This meal keeps you full, energized, and satisfied. It's proof that healthy eating can be quick, delicious, and exciting. You're nourishing your body and your taste buds. Healthy, tasty, and totally satisfying. There you have it. A stunning healthy meal in 10 minutes. Sticky, flavor-packed tofu and a crisp, zesty salad. What's not to love? Don't be afraid to experiment. Swap in other veggies or proteins if you like. This glaze is great on salmon or chicken too. Cooking should be fun, not a chore. Use this recipe as a springboard for your own creations. Share it with friends or enjoy it all yourself. You deserve it. Take a photo and show off your masterpiece. Keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying good food. Get cooking, good looking. Lovely jubbly.